Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the part 1 of the topic here. We are going to see this one on the problems of numbers. So first thing before starting with the topic, let us see these the formulas which you have to remember. These are the very important formulas. So here this is a plus b whole bracket square, that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So when you look at these two formulas, what you can see, only the difference is here is plus and here is minus. Rest everything is the same. Now let us see for the next formula, that is a plus b cube. So here this will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So now can you see this one? A is going in the descending order. A cube, a square, then a, and after a there is nothing. So now you can see that here there is no b, but here there is b. So b is going in the ascending order from small to big. B square and b cube. So now what you can see, this will be as it is from these two. What we can see that 3ab is common. So what remains inside, because this is a square b, you can see that is a is here, that is a square b. When you multiply this into this, you get 3a square b, and this, when you multiply this and this, you get 3ab square, which is this one. And this will be as it is. So actually this is the formula, but sometimes like you might forget this formula if you, so you can just expand and see over here. Now see here, it is the same here. This is a plus b cube and this is a minus b. So only the difference here, this is plus, this is minus. This is plus, and this is plus, and this is minus. What we have to remember. So here again, this is the expanded form, and this is the, again you will take here minus 3ab common, and what remains in the bracket is, when you compare this and this one. So a minus b cube. So this both, just remember. Now one of the important formula, that is a square minus b square, that will be a plus b, a minus b, or you can also write here a minus b, a plus b. Now here a plus b plus c square, that will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. So what will you do? See ab, then where it ends b. So when we consider abc, ab, then bc, then it ends on C. So again you will write C and you will go again on A. That is CA. So now A cube plus B cube. So this is going to be A plus B. Then here it will be A square minus AB plus B square. And A cube minus B square. When you compare this one, see here is plus, here is minus. Here is minus, here is plus. Only the difference is this one. The rest everything is the same. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Then what do you have? That a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 386. So this you can note down, because these are the formulas where they are used very often. Now let us see if the sum of two numbers is 42 and the product is 437. Then we have to find the absolute difference between the numbers. So now what will you do? We will consider the numbers. Let the numbers be x and y. So they said, first now look at the first here. Sum of the two numbers is 42. So we have considered x and y. So x plus y is 42. So let us consider this as equation number 1. And then they said the product is 437. So product means you have to multiply these two numbers. That will be xy is 437. So now we have to find the difference between this. So in this one, to find the difference between this x and y, we have to remember this formula, that is root of x plus y whole bracket square minus. So I will show you this, how this came to. Now see here, x plus y whole bracket square, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. And here minus 4xy. So now what happens here, when you just take this like terms, now this is plus 2xy and this is minus 2xy. So that is going to be this, actually this minus 4x square should be here inside the root only, because there was no space, I wrote it down. So this is in the root only, it's this one. So don't get confused for that one. So now it will be x square. This is going to be plus 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 2xy plus y square. So now x square minus 2xy plus y square means what is that? You know the formula, x minus y whole bracket square. So this is square and this is the root of that. So when you remove the root, that means that is going to be just x minus y, which is this one. So just see here this formula, that is, instead of this a, there can be x minus y whole bracket square. So the formula is this one. So wherever you see here, you are going to put here x, and here in place of b, you are going to put y. This formula you have to remember. So now, after writing this one, this formula, what are you going to do? We know the x plus y is 42. So you can write in place of this x plus y 42, but that is the square of it. Minus 4. Xy again we know that is 437. That we are going to write 437. So when you multiply 42 square means 42 multiplied by 42, you get 1764. And when you multiply this into this, you get 1748. When you subtract this both, you get 16. That is root of 16. And you know the root of 16 is 4. So we can say this is the difference, right? So difference is 2. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.